So what's up guys, here you guys, let's get mixed up for my family subscribers. Thank you all for being here. This is your first time here, consider subscribing, support your girl. I'm talking live from the village. So today I'm doing some washing here at our riverside. It's very small, but this is where we do some washing. Otherwise, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. Continue watching this until the end. So this is how we do it here at the village. Yeah. Why I am using the basin? Because if I use direct like this, using the water direct, you'll be wasting the soap also, because the foam I have to use it in a way also. Yeah. As I was telling you, this is the riverside where we are going to do the washing. It comes over there. Also, they have some people who had planted tea up to that side. Even here, you can see they planted the tea up to the riverside. Also, the trees here, but this one here, they have cut the trees. Also, I have my juniors here. Say hello.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm washing clothes.
Oh, today we are going to spend our day here, maybe. This kind of time, because they are not at school. That's why you are seeing us here together. They are not at school anymore. The schools are closed, and you find that you cannot leave them home just like that. So that's why I have seen like I should come with them here at the riverside. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. Boom, boom, boom. You have never seen me washing at the riverside. I had done this video long time ago. So we are heading, this is December holiday. So you have to do it like in the other side. Wow. Yeah, there's nothing like wasting water. Like it's so. And this is fresh water. Actually, in the village we don't have salt water. All this water is fresh. Yeah, fresh water. Brush here, those tools that are not clean, I usually use the brush, right? Because there are some clothes that we use them while we're going like digging at the garden or brushing tea. You find that they are very dirty. That's why we usually use the brush. Also the shoes. You also need the brush to wash the shoes. That's why I brought like the brush also. Yeah. So this is how it is in the village. And it is December, you know, in December you don't waste water, because at home, because the rain, you know, it's like the rain is going like, yeah. This is the laziness of the liver, the laziness. When you are lazy, that's why I'm seeing mosquitoes. There is no hurry with this work here. There is no hurry, just feel like relax and do the work until you finish all the job and go home. Yeah. are finished. Very strong. I'm glad here.
And they got it now, you chat.
So now I have to wash my shoes. It's very bad. That's why we bring it at the river. See how that is clean. So I like to wash the inner soles. The inner soles are very much dirty. I like to wash them. Oh, my goodness. It's the color is coming out. And you have to wash it different. Yes. So now we are finished washing. We have to start rinsing the clothes so that we are going home. Yeah.
So like here you see here there was someone cutting the trees like, and this is the stump of a tree, but it's like it was cut a long time ago. If we follow this river here, we are going to maybe to do here like summer, because I see like the other place here is like it's so tiny for us to do the washing. So sometimes I'm going to like put some stones here so that we will be washing here. Next time we'll be washing from here. Yeah. So this is how the river, it is very slippery. And those are the sides of the stones. This is the yam. The yam loves the water. Why you see the yam here? Because it loves the water, that's why you see it here. Actually, when you are going to come and dig it out, I think it's going to be big because it is near the water. Also, if you want to plant them, you have to plant them like near the water so that maybe, yeah, they love near the water. That's why you see them here. My brother planted them here. So this is how the river is. And near the river you have to find some stones like yo, this is where I am now today. It is very much tiresome. Washing at the river is like see how it is. We have been washing up there like, and I'm showing you the other side, that side there. Yeah. So it is very cold. I say if someone wants maybe to build a house, you have to come and collect maybe these stones here, like you collect these stones and you go and use it to build maybe your floor maybe. You build your floor at your home. You collect these stones here. There's amazing stones here, like amazing stones here. Also, there are those soft ones. You can find soft ones like this one here. And the 3 stones of cooking. 3 stones of cooking. You can find good ones like this one here. This is good for cooking. When you want to make the chico from the 3 stones, these are the best stones here. You can come and maybe pick them from the river and go and use them. Yeah. What do you think about this video? Maybe it is very much amazing here at the riverside. It is very cool. You only hear the running of the river. That is the only noise that you hear here. Also, you refresh your mind, like you refresh your mind when you are at the river here. Your mind is refreshed. You feel like, oh, there is no noise, no one is disturbing you. Actually, this river here, it's our side from our plot up there up to this river here. This is the side of the river. It is our home. It is our plot, like that's what I can say. But then I was just showing you how we can. We have also our side where you can do washing your clothes. That's why I was showing you around like that. Yeah, and you have to be very careful because it is very slippery, like, yeah. But we don't have a lot of trees, like they have cut a lot of the trees, like, yeah. So drop a sweet comment. What do you feel about this video? Washing at the river. Also, if you are outside there, this is the best place you can try and enjoy. Wow, wow.